Sa tanan nga ako nabuhat nga dili maayo. And thank you kay wala din mo na puli bahala ginana akong batasan. Wala mo na puli og pangpanikamot para lang mabuhi mi ngayon yung mga anak. And karon ako isulti. Ang tulo ka mga pulong nga dili na ako ginmasulti ninyo. Which is I love you. And now, all your hard works and sacrifices from the past few years are now paid off. Not totally, but at least naanay bunga balag linghod pa. But no worries, a few years from now, hapit na malampos ang tanan. Gamay na lang nga antos ang kulang, and wala gyud kay laing masulti, and it is thank you. Thank you kay nakaya ninyong buhato ng mga butangan. You have given us the best possible start in life. And as we move forward into the next chapter of our lives, we want to assure you that we will make you proud. We will carry the values you taught us, the lessons you shared with us, and the love you have given to us. You will never be forgotten here in our heart, mind, and in our soul. Today, as we celebrate our moving up ceremony, we want to say thank you. Thank you for being our parents, our guardians, and our friends. We, the completers, are really thankful for your existence. Thank you for being our everything. We love you, we appreciate you, and we will always be grateful to you. My fellow completers, may I request you all to please stand up.